In this video, we are going to talk about how to find the arc length of a circle. So when we say arc length, it is the length of an arc intercepted by the central angle of a radians on a circle of a radius r is given by S equals r times theta, where S is the arc length, r is the radius of a circle, and theta is the central angle. So as you can see in the given figure, in a circle O, OA, and OB is the radius of a circle. And then this angle is the central angle, angle AOB. Then arc AB is the arc length. This is denoted by letter S. So these are the information that we're going to use in order for us to find the arc length of a circle. So let's start and let's have an example. On the first example, radius is 8 centimeters, central angle or theta is 150 degrees, and we are going to find the arc length. So the first step that we're going to do is we are going to convert 150 degrees into radian. So to convert degrees to radian, all we have to do is to multiply the given degree by pi over 180 degrees. So we have 150 degrees multiplied by pi over 180 degrees. So we can cancel the degree symbol, including 0. So we have now 15 pi over 18. The greatest common factor of 15 and 18 is 3. So 15 becomes 5. 18 becomes 6. So therefore, 150 degrees in radian, that is 5 pi over 6. So this will be the central angle, 5 pi over 6. And to find the length of an arc, we are going to use the formula S equals radius times central angle. Radius is 8 centimeters. Then central angle, that is 5 pi over 6. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Pi over 6. 40 over 6 can be written in simplest form, that is 20 pi over 3. So this will be our answer. But if you want to find the exact value of 20 pi over 3, you can substitute pi into 3.14. So we have 20 times 3.14 divided by 3. 20 times 3.14, that is 62.8 divided by 3, that is, let us write our answer here. 62.8 divided by 3, that is 20.93 centimeters. So this would be the arc length. What about number 2? Radius is 6 centimeters. Theta, or the central angle, is 120 degrees. So let us convert first 120 degrees into radians. 120 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. So let us cancel 0 and the degree symbol. So we have 12 pi over 18. The greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. So 12 becomes 6, or rather 2 rather, and then 18 becomes 3. Therefore, 120 degrees in radian, that is 2 pi over 3. Now, let us find the length of an arc. S equals r times central angle. Radius is 6 centimeters. Then central angle in radian, that is 2 pi over 3. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 pi over 3. 12 divided by 3, that is 4 pi. So this would be our answer. Or you can write as 4, then the value of pi, that is 3.14. That is 4 times 3.14, that is 12.56 centimeters. So this would be the length of an arc. On example number 3, radius is 12 feet. Theta, or the central angle, is already written in radian. So that is 5 pi over 3. And we are going to find the arc length. So to find the arc length, we are using the formula S equals radius times central angle. So radius is 12 feet times central angle. No need for us to convert radian to degree because the given central angle is already written in radian. That is 5 pi over 3. Now, we have 12 times 5 pi over 3. So we can cancel 12 and 3 because the greatest common factor of 12 and 3 is 3. So 12 becomes 4 and then 3 becomes 1. So therefore, we have 4 times 5 pi over 1. So 4 times 5 divided by 1, that is 20 pi. 20 pi, that is 20 times 3.14, that is 62.8 feet. So this will be the length of an arc. What about the last example? Radius is 8 feet. Central angle is 3 pi over 4. And we are going to find the length of an arc. So we have S equals R times theta. Radius is 8 feet. Then central angle is 3 pi over 4. So that is 8 times 3 pi over 4. So let us cancel this one. 8 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 1. That is 2 times 3. That is 6 pi over 1. Or simply 6 pi. So this will be our answer. Or you can write as 6 times 3.14. That is 18.84 feet. So this will be the length of an arc. So I hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. God bless us all.